Hi, I'm Nancy Goldenberg. I'm the president and CEO of West Laurel Hill Cemetery, Laurel Hill Cemetery, and West Laurel Hill Funeral Home. When people think of a traditional burial, they usually think of a grave that is about 6 to 8 feet dug, usually with motorized equipment. The person is sometimes embalmed. They are placed in a casket that is non-biodegradable, lowered into the ground, and then there is a vault that is placed on top, covered, and then usually a headstone or some sort of monument is right near their grave. Green burial, on the other hand, is hand dug, no gas equipment. It's all by muscle power, and the depth is about 4 feet instead of 6. The person is wrapped in a shroud or a biodegradable casket of some sort. You can be embalmed. There are green embalming products. Then you are covered with the earth, so there's no vault involved. There is no headstone. In our green burial area, Nature Sanctuary, they are memorialized on a very low wall that surrounds the perimeter of our green burial area. And their name, birth date, and death date is engraved on that wall.
I'm Gregg Tepper. I am the horticulturist here at West Laurel Hill Cemetery. What I do here is make sure that the horticulture displays are top quality and that they also are a place for those coming to mourn their loved ones. They can find peace and tranquility. That's really important. So Nature Sanctuary has a really interesting history. It was originally the dump. It's where a lot of the horticulture debris was put and so forth. And they found it to be a spot that, because of public interest in green burials, they decided that this could be made into a green burial space. So it was decided, with the help of a landscape designer, that this would actually become what's known as a successional woodland. It starts with sun, and then over time, as the burials happen and the plants fill in, we plant shrubs and we plant trees. And over time, those shrubs and trees grow and it becomes a woodland. So today you're seeing it as a meadow with beautiful sun-loving plants, and over time it'll turn into a woodland. One of the wonderful things about Nature Sanctuary is it's much more than a place for eternal rest. It's actually a habitat. It's a place where bees and birds and small mammals come. It's their home. And so our organization is very involved in sustainability and thinking about the environment as well as just being a place of eternal rest. Another great aspect of Nature Sanctuary with its native plants is something that I don't think a lot of us think about. It's sense of place. You can't go to England and you can't go to California and see this array of plants, because these are found in the eastern United States, and that's really big.
The popularity of Nature Sanctuary really stems from the fact that this was all really market-driven. It was our families and our customers that have been asking for this, so much so that I think we met our ROI within the first year.
With seeing this and meeting the loved ones of the people that have passed, learning a little history about some of the people that have passed that are here, and knowing that I could literally be pushing up daisies is a good thing for a horticulturist. So I like the idea of the green burial and becoming one with the earth and being a part of my garden in a big way.
Look at it. It's beautiful. With a natural meadow, a successional forest, I think it speaks for itself. It's just gorgeous.